Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
We got a doggy.
No, that's definitely a dog.
For
We can make
sure.
that.
We got that
I know
one.
what that is.
And then look, there's people are still going out to Catalina. So,
But I'm sure they got to play Golden Girls.
I know we didn't get to do
Trivia.
the Golden Girl trivia. That's like the biggest regret of my life, next to the golf carts. But still had a good day.
Oh yeah, you didn't do anything.
I know. I gotta say, the two things that I really wanted to do today, I am 2-0. But you know what? Still smiling because I'm on vacation and I'm gonna smile and I'm gonna have fun and we made friends.
If you're making friends, meeting people.
Yes.
It's always the second day everyone loosens up and warms up.
Exactly.
Starts introducing. So we're gonna
Yeah.
we're just unwinding for a second.
For a
put it on
second.
Stuff. We're gonna go meet Matt and Jason.
Yep, Matt and Jason have lunch and then hopefully maybe get in those hot tubs for
Yeah, we
this
have
little
been up
wedding.
a long time.
I know. I'm
So,
excited.
because I think we started off at 6.
Something like that.
So probably around 5 or
Yeah.
that, I guess.
Maybe.
Before everyone gets in it.
Before everyone gets in it, I'm gonna say people are all back on board soon, so we gotta make sure we don't lose that. All right, yay! Up the stairs, up the stairs. There's a tip. You might be eating and drinking a lot on your cruise. You want to counteract that? Take the stairs. We've been taking the stairs almost this whole trip. Thank you. So I got a burrito. These are all the things you can do with the burrito. And then you come around and there is a toppings bar. I showed you guys this before. But the only thing with that is that you can't, where do you put
Yeah, you get to put it on the plate.
on the side, huh? That's weird. That's the only thing that's a little odd about the burrito. But they close it up, so I'm definitely gonna get some lime. I'm a big lime fan. Like things that are limey. Jarrell also is a big lime fan, so I'm sure he's getting some lime over there. These are all of the salsas and the creme fraiche. All right, blue iguana. What do you think?
I went to the Blue Iguana and I got a beef burrito, that's rice, onions, pico de gallo, and cheddar.
Mm-hmm.
And it's good. I like it. It's really good. Like, I'm not gonna say flavor. But it is.
But it is flavorful. All right, that's good. Oh, he's giving us the drinks. Say, oh, yes. Oh. Hey. Drink package. Hey. There he goes. There's that Carnival service. Choose fun. So he's doing the Patron, 2 shots in there, Patron things, and then he got a shot of Patron. Roca. It's a Roca. And then that's gonna be poured in there. Do it, Jarrell. Say drink package.
Yes, I don't like shots.
No, he does not do shots well.
The pain.
He does not then.
You have to take. I think you got
I had to ask for the guest service. There is a lovely, amazing girl here. Her name is Alex. I first expressed the fact that Golden Girls trivia is only at 10:30 a.m. when everyone is in Catalina because Golden Girls, Millennials, and gays. We all went to the island. Did you do Golden Girls trivia?
I did not.
Would you have done it?
I wouldn't have done it.
You would have.
I wanted to do it.
They didn't do it either. Very sad.
They wanted to do it too.
Because she said, I love your shirt. And I was like, thank you. And yeah, so I talked about that. And then I asked her about tape. And Alex, okay, I can bring this back to you. Alex! She gave me tape.
This is Jess. Nice to meet you guys.
Oh, hi, Jess. This is Say Hi to Booze from Booze Cruise. So the Golden Girls trivia.
Let me try to speak for the entertainment. Maybe
I'm just gonna say it. It's only, listen, the only people who are showing up are millennials and young gay men. Or old gay men. But I'm telling you, the old and young gay men are going to Catalina to drink and to enjoy times. So we didn't get to go to that.
I will try my best.
Thank you.
Okay, I will just make you happy number.
Thank you. Oh, E206. E206.
Okay, so I will speak with the entertainment director. You can pass by in the evening and check for that.
Ryan? Thank you. Guys, Carnival, choose fun.
Do we know where we're going?
Yay. Guys, I have tape and a drink, and we're gonna get to put up our amazing door tag.
Yeah.
Do. And then we've been,
Oh.
See, they found tape.
how did they find tape? E102.
What is this?
How
mean?
did, okay.
They asked. Like,
What does that
but they
mean?
taped a
They taped a
broken
beer can? Come
Does that
on,
mean that
guys.
Don't come in? Don't knock?
I don't know what that means. That means it's the party room.
Beer knocker?
Okay, look. Everyone has it but us. Everyone has it but us. I'm so upset.
Galen,
Okay.
Cindy.
Also,
Come on, Galen.
let's talk about this.
Come on, Galen. Cindy.
So apparently,
Sorry,
a
dude.
pineapple. Uh-oh. It was on film. What happened?
Oh, no, we're all good.
I
We're
stepped
Okay.
on someone.
It was on film.
Everyone keeps falling.
So,
Bob.
There must be in a group.
It's from a traveling.
no one's listening to me. So there is apparently a thing with pineapples. I told you about this.
What?
So, okay, a pineapple
It's a fruit.
or an upside down pineapple means that you're a swinger. So if you wear a pineapple, or if you
Swinger.
have like a pineapple, like that is the code that you are
kind of
into that
pineapple are we talking about?
relationship. And so if you put a pineapple on your door, it means
David Singletary.
come on in.
Jason just bought new bathing suits.
Oh, a pineapple means that you are in that lifestyle. If you would have worn them here, you would have gotten all the free
He has
drinks.
them in the luggage.
Do you have them? Wear the pineapples and see what happens.
I don't
Swingers.
Wear a pineapple. He is not allowed to be a swinger.
So
I
they're
am
open door
dying. I don't know how it works. And we're not judging at all. I just am saying that I had a pineapple shirt. And also, everyone else knew it. But us. And so we felt so silly. Ugh, jeez. Anyway, guess what? See how blank this door is? Not for long. Okay, let's take that off in a minute. So,
We're gonna need more tape.
They're
taping
it to the door.
we're doing it. It's official. Now, normally we would never do it like this because it's tacky for it
I
to
would
see on the
do it to the
outside.
back.
But we are going to improvise and make it happen. Now, again, you can put in the discount code at Booze Cruise, and it's at ashley.acting.etsy.com. It'll be, we'll put it in the description below. But you can get 10% off.
Do more.
So excited.
This is what happens when you have a crew.
Jeez
fine.
Louise.
We got the budget for a crew this year.
Yes, we have a crew, so- look at that.
They may be fired due to the close-ups.
Due
In
to
HD, I'm not happy about the quality of these.
Oh, okay. Hey, Booze. So we are back at the coffee bar, and Jason is about to indulge in a treat.
Just Jason, yeah?
This is Jason, just Jason. We're not about to overload you.
You will be in the cam after that when you're saying just Jason.
Just Jason.
Somebody else is taking a bite of Jason.
That's true. Oh, that's true. You're right that we have it on there. Well, Jason, do you get anything that I want?
Well, my question is the torched meringue donut better than the lemon meringue cupcake? Yes. Let's do the torched meringue donut then, please.
You know it's better.
Hi.
So close. Okay, so you asked,
So I'm gonna do
is the torched meringue
donut
better than the lemon meringue? And she
was a
said
resounding
yes.
yes.
Resounding yes. There was no
Hesitation.
All
I'm
right.
gonna do the torched
So
meringue
if you
donut.
two are tossed up between the torched meringue, which is custard filled, ugh. Well, just Jason is indulging in.
Not a fan of custard, huh?
I don't like it. But
I like
but a white
cream
chocolate
on it.
macadamia, that looks good.
Krispy Kreme doesn't have custard, they have whipped cream in the middle of theirs.
Oh yeah,
So I like
whipped
the
cream. I do like
inside,
that.
But yeah, but I'm not a custard fan.
Mm-mm.
Or meringue, or
No,
donuts.
not
Oh,
into it.
therefore, this is
Not
my-
into it.
this is
Not
my
into it.
zhuzh.
What happens at these computers? Are these just for?
They're kiosks actually. You can access them if you have a plan though.
Oh, if you have a plan. Got it.
You can get something like that. Yeah.
Although otherwise, we are in Catalina, so you could just use your LTE.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
That too.
That's
Yeah.
work, too.
So Booze, that's one good thing about cruising not out of the country is that you can just turn on your phone and use it when you are in port. Although it's nice to disconnect. Are you yelling at me? I am trying to perform a service for the Booze Cruise YouTube channel. I feel yelled at. Oh, picture treat, because this is something that we would never order. First of all, we probably never get like a $3 donut on the thing because we end up getting like whatever. But also, we're not like big donut people, so you're gonna get to see Jason indulge in this. Oh dear. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, it's like we're in it.
All the food pastry.
He looks like this looks like heaven.
It's very good.
This looks like ecstasy. Oh. Also, for anyone who likes those like mukbang eating videos, this is for you.
All you food fetishers out there.
If the cream came out of your nose, I would literally pee.
Custard in there?
Is there a lot of? Let's see the inside of it. Give us the full detail.
Weird.
Okay, you're not showing the camera. You're
very
literally
limited.
forming away from the. That's doughy.
custard?
That's custard. Oh, it's a thick custard. It's a clotted cream.
It's clotted artery.
It's definitely custard.
It's definitely a custard.
Yeah, it's very good.
Is it
Well,
everything you
I
ever
know.
thought you wanted and needed in life?
This is your gazpacho.
Oh, I love a gazpacho.
Oh my gosh. All right, so we might get a spiked coffee. I told Anna that I like my coffee like me, strong, light, and sweet.
You didn't add light.
Well, light. I like a little light. I like a lot of cream in there. I don't want no black coffee. It's so bitter.
How can it be strong and sweet?
Because what you do is if you take espresso, very strong espresso, and you add some cream and then you add sugar, that is strong, light, and sweet. The espresso isn't any less.
You're eating a perfectly good coffee.
No. That's the American way. It's amazing. So which one of these? There's the Caribbean, the Mexican, the Irish. Chocolate lovers sounds delightful. Is that? Smokers like it. Okay, so we have our double chocolate spiked drink. Jarrell, what do you
We
think?
got the same thing. I haven't had it
We
yet.
did the same thing.
Spiked. It's 97%. Okay, so there we are. So, womp womp. So the raffle we thought we were doing actually turned into be a seminar. 30 minutes, so we decided that we don't want to sit through a seminar of them trying to sell us stuff to just win some possible.
Even though we love Thomas Kincaid.
We're craving rice.
We're craving Zatarain.
They've been doing this all day. But
Dinner from New Orleans.
okay, they're gonna have to sponsor us for this. But so we're gonna go and do the jacuzzi now because we're about 2 hours or maybe an hour and a half away from Soloway. So we want to sit in the jacuzzi and watch.
This is our room.
So they're going to their room. We're going to ours. We're gonna get into our bathing suits, and then we're gonna come back at you, and we'll probably be in the jacuzzi. Yay! And yeah.
So this completely packed. This one completely packed. We've never been more upset, guys.
Hello.
Guys, we've clearly told too
Get
many
them out,
people.
please.
We've got to get them out.
I have a shovel for
They've
you.
got to. We just made it into the hot.
Thing on the bottom.
It's a
Oh
floaty
yeah, it's like it's a floaty thing, so that if it.
doesn't-
So guys, we made it into the hot tub. Huge dip at the inn, where you're gonna sail away. Our favorite place, the hot tub. So, Jarrell's there. Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold at all. I'm actually very warm.
Yep.
Delightful.
Sorry,
Grateful.
really, like, you-
And Matt, dude.
So
He's over there.
we
All right, guys, we are officially moving. We're moving. Oh my gosh, it is. I can't wait. Hold on. It is 5:01, and we are moving. You can't really tell as well, but we are slowly going this way. This is my absolute favorite place to be during sail away because not only are we going to see the most gorgeous, stunning sunset, but we are going to see all of this slowly fade away, and then the lights are going to turn on. And I just, guys, do you love cruising as much as I love cruising? Like, is there anything more amazing than being like in a hot tub, meeting new friends,
alcohol. I'm gonna make like a
and like
polymer, so let's worry about
drinks,
that.
and look at this view. Look at, come on. How can you be upset? when this is what's happening.
So everybody, hey, hi. So we are sailing away, and there's Catalina Island over there. Doesn't it look so pretty? It looks so mysterious and ooh.
cloud.
It's kind of giving you like a Hawaii look, even though we're in. Oh yes, but it's very like it's very pretty. But anyways, we're still here in the jacuzzi. We got drinks before getting out. We got drinks. We're chilling here until I guess dinner. So we have to leave and get dressed for dinner.
It's fancy night.
It's fancy night. We gotta dress up. I hate this. But it's gonna be fun. But yeah, so we're just here selling away and having drinks. And we'll be back. Yes. Bye, you guys. See you in a second.
Talking to my new friend from Alaska. Do you want to be on there? You don't have to. Everyone say hi. Introduce yourself.
I'm Becky.
Hi, this is Becky. Say hi, Booze. Okay, so Becky lives in Alaska, and I was, talking about New York and the cost of living and everything like that. And surprisingly, she said that rent in Alaska is not that much. Like a 2,300 square foot house is like 1,700, which
So it's not rent, but it's mortgage.
but still, that's amazing. But the groceries and things, like she said that in Anchorage,
A gallon of milk is $4.
$4. A gallon of milk is $4.
Gas is about $3.50 right now. It's the same as it is.
Lower than us. Kill me.
Crazy.
So, but a gallon of milk outside of Anchorage is
Right, it can be up to $20 for a gallon.
20.
Yeah, if you're living in the outer villages.
$20. I have never wanted dairy that much. Never. Also, you're an adult. Why are you drinking milk?
But like single milk, they don't even check it out.
Oh no.
Wait, how much is Tide?
Tide out there can be like
I don't drink
$50.
milk.
$50 for Tide. Do you know how bad I would smell?
What about with bleach?
I would never wash clothes. $50 for Tide. I would be beating my clothes on a
Make
rock.
my own detergent.
We would be having Dawn. Wash your clothes with Dawn.
And these are also in dry villages, so there's no alcohol.
You hit your clothes on a rock.
We have dry villages.
Hit your clothes on a rock.
There are dry. See, I'm learning so much, but it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous. Oh my god, every minute of it is gorgeous.
Guys, talk to people on a cruise. You'll never know what you're gonna learn. You'll never know who you're gonna make friends with. I love that. Thanks, Becky.
What are you doing? Why? I look pale.
You hear the sound?
Yeah, he's cute.
Oh, he's so cute. Hi. Yes, good and you? We did. Guest services brought it. They were like, oh, here's the tape. So we put up our little thing for our YouTube channel. Booze Cruise.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Because I have
Fasan.
only this one, so maybe you
see?
don't like this one. The big one. I have only
Oh
this
no, no, that's totally
That's
fine.
fine.
We got the little one. It's up
Okay.
there now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
it means a lot. Thank you so much. We got it at 2:06.
It's on there.
It's on there.
Oh, yeah, here it is.
Look at us.
Boom.
Booze
Let's
Cruise.
do a zoom in, zoom out.
Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. David and Jarrell.